Do you notice? You walk with your animal and the animal always pulls on the leash over and over again. If you are not careful, it can overturn you. Pain in the shoulders, dangerous sleeping situations, stress for the dog and the human being. The trendy leash expander serves as an aid for dog training. In combination with your usual training leash. With the trendy leash expander, the strong and jerky pull on the leash is eliminated. In combination with a marker word, for example D, your dog will learn gently slowing off his pulling ambitions. The stress reducing effect for the dog and the human being is instantly noticeable and at the first application.